Hello, my dear students. A very good morning, all of you. Okay, now we'll start the second semester course of subject computer. Okay, now we'll start with the chapter number 5, that is Microsoft Word 2010 Part 2. Part 1 we studied in our first semester, that was chapter number 4. Okay, now we'll study chapter number 5, that is part 2 of Microsoft Word. Firstly, what is introduction? In our previous chapter, we prepared ordered and unordered list. Okay, I have taught you what was the ordered list. Ordered list means numbering list, 1, 2, 3 or small ABC, capital ABC and all. Okay? And unordered list was the bullets, that is the arrows which we used to use. In this chapter, we'll introduce some of the advanced features of Word 2010. अब एडवांस्ड कौन से हैं हमारे? लेट मी सी. फर्स्ट इज स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर. ओके, आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज spelling and grammar. So students, take out your page number 38 of your textbook and we'll start reading the chapter, and side by side we'll do the practical part also. Understood? So take out your textbook, page number 38. So the first is, while preparing document in Word, sometimes you see red and green wavy lines under some words or sentences. Okay, sometimes you'll see in a red and green wavy line, both are there. Why it is there? Let me tell you. The red line indicates spelling errors. Okay, red line means आपकी spelling गलत है, spelling errors, and the green line indicates the grammatical errors. Okay, grammar का mistake है. Word automatically correct some of the spelling errors. कुछ words का वो automatically वो कर लेता है, errors को ठीक कर लेता है. For example, the, what's the spelling of the? THE. Okay, but if suppose you have by mistake you have typed TEH, okay, so वो automatically correct कर देगा as THE. But rest of the errors can be corrected using spelling and grammar facility. कौन सी facility है ये? Spelling and grammar facility, which is available in the proofing group of review tab. कहाँ मिलेगा हमको proofing group of review tab? Okay, so let me show you where is the proofing group of the review tab, and we'll type some paragraph. Here you can see some lines are given over there of jungle. We will type that paragraph and we will see what are the spelling mistakes and the grammatical mistakes. Okay students? Okay students, this is Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, yeah, I have typed this whole paragraph which was there on page number 38. I have typed, here you can see the green and red wavy lines are there. Okay, red line is for what? The spelling error, and green line is for what? The grammatical errors. Okay, again come back to the book which is there, proofing group of review tab. So here you can see where is the review tab? Here is the review tab. So just click over here and we see the spelling and grammar. Okay, ये देखो proofing tab है. Proofing tab का हम कहाँ जाएंगे? Spelling and grammar. So here you can see the red is jungle, means jungle का spelling गलत है. What's the spelling of jungle? Here the suggestions are also there. What the computer is saying? Choose this one, JUNGLE. So choose this one, and see here many options are there. Ignore once, ignore all, change, change all, autocorrect. Okay, so अगर आपको change करना है you can change it like this. Okay, change को कर दो. अब एक सेंटेंस तो हमारी ठीक हो गई. Come to the other sentence. Is हमारा green है. क्यों? ये ग्रामेटिकल एरर है. लायंस बहुत सारे हैं तो is तो आएगा नहीं. What will come? Are. So here the computer is saying R will come. So click on R and change. Okay. Then the third sentence. What's the spelling of tigers? This is not the spelling of tiger. Tiger का spelling क्या है? TIGERS. So just click over it and change. Okay. There are many tigers in the jungle. Again the spelling of jungle would be this one. Okay. So change it. Then the next sentence, the same spelling of jungle, click over it and change. अगर आपको change all करना है, you can change all. Means जहाँ जहाँ jungle का spelling wrong होगा, अपने आप वो सारे spellings को कर देगा. Okay? Here also see the spelling of city. Here's the spelling of city and change it. What's the spelling? And Jignesh. See, Jignesh is a name. Okay? The name doesn't come in the dictionary, in the English Oxford dictionary. Okay, so computer feels like this name is wrong. Okay, but we have to ignore it. So how we will ignore it? Here. See, the spelling and the grammar check is complete. Okay, understood? This was the main advanced feature of this chapter, that is spelling and grammar. If you don't know any spelling, computer will suggest you something and according to that you have to do it. Okay, now come back to your textbook again. You can observe some red and green wavy lines under the words. They indicate spelling and grammar errors. You can correct these errors by opening spelling and grammar dialog box, which we did already, okay, through the reference, that is the review tab of the proofing. Yeah. और प्रेस द शॉर्टकट की F7, या फिर आप क्या शॉर्टकट की यूज करोगे? F7. Okay students, so understood the first feature of this chapter, that is spelling and grammar. Okay, so we will end our session of today's here, and then in the next class we will study creating tables in Word. Okay, so Word में table कैसे create करेंगे, we will study that in our next class. Okay, thank you.